At this point, you should be able to define and craft compelling vision of what your product is at its very core, as well as build a vision that gets everyone on the team excited. You should also be able to identify strategic areas to invest in across user needs, key features, differentiation, and business goals in order to make your vision and product a reality. You also learned about how you can build a business model canvas in order to map out everything that's required to build your product and the associated costs, the value prop of your product, as well as how to get your product to your targeted customers and generate revenue through a variety of different revenue models. You should also be able to conduct a competitive analysis of competing products, whether those competitors are direct, indirect, or replacement competitors, as well as evaluate the different strategies that those competitors are using, along with the associated pros and cons of each. And you should understand the importance of defining an MVP as a vehicle to get to market sooner and validate your product before you invest more time and energy into it. And lastly, you learned how to define KPIs across a number of different dimensions like business, product, quality, and development in order to track and understand if the product and the team are meeting their goals. All right, I will see you in lesson 4, where we'll start to talk about communication skills.